Catrino Green Hill, San Juan. It's the Sobrang Good Night Show. Music from the Hornies and the All the Way Band. With tonight's guest, Miss Snooki Serna. Musicians and mentalists from the Story of Circle. Live performances from Mesmerize. And now, late night hottest sensation, it's JoJo A. All the way!
Thank you very big, Hornies and the All the Way Boys. And happy anniversary to everyone. Isang buwan na natin ginagawa itong walang kwenta na. Diba? Ayos na ba kayo, diba? Akala ko pa naman kung ano yung okay na, yun na, match. Anyway, well, yan talaga eh. Siguro by this time, nasanay na sila eh, no? Na yung pinagagawa natin dito, ano lang. Pero ito, maganda na to. Pag may party, merong occasion, di ba may magician? May magician? Magician. Pare, meron din tayo ngayon. Mga illusionist. Mga illusionist. Hindi nag-i-illusion, ha? Magician, mentalist, and they're called the Story Circle Group! Okay, game. Okay, very quickly gawin natin para mabilisan. Name, tapos kung ano yung magic na gagawin natin. Okay? Sino tayo magsisimula? Alright. No more, my man. Okay, kailangan na, yung mga audiences natin, kailangan mabilis kayo, ha? Because the ice is quicker as men. Let's bring it on! Let's bring it out!
I want to memorize the page number.
Okay, page number.
Say stop anytime.
Stop, anytime.
Memorize
Okay.
Then memorize the word here.
Okay.
It's weird. That's original, correct? What was the page number?
45.
It can't be.
Bakit?
Look to the page 45. It can't be. It can't be.
Hindi, tama eh.
Yeah.
Page
45. There's no page 45 here. There's no page 45 here.
Uy!
And you know, there's no page 45 here. And actually, Sir Jojo, actually, that envelope na nasa table mo, yes, open that envelope.
Kasi parang kinikilabutan ako pare.
Open that envelope.
Page 45! The bird! Paano ko lang po? Ano ba pare? Kanina gusto ko sanang, ano ba, ikakat ba natin to pare? Kinabahan ako pare!
There's this word here, it says original, that's what I'm talking about.
Ay, original! Oo nga, no? I should have known. Dapat nga naman. Okay yun, ano wala ba? Alright. Okay, and who else?
This card.
Okay.
Card.
Card. Okay.
Sound music, please.
Konting music. Music daw.
meron akong sakit minsan pag inuubo ko, masama nangyayari sa akin eh.
Ano nangyayari sa'yo?
Naramdaman ko na.
Man! Up! Okay, up!
Grabe. Sobra, ha?
Oo, pero bigyan ka namin gamot, pare. Sabi sa ano. Anyway, guys, we will go back to more magic later, but momentarily, yung ating, meron yata ipapasok sa atin dito.
Hoy!
Andiyan pa, yung ka-date or something. Alice! Thank you. Alice, sorry ha. Kasi mamadali tayo kanina, pero nandito ka naman eh.
Ewan ko sa'yo, kahit hindi mo ako sa date natin, happy mansari pa rin.
Pero huwag ka na magalit kasi happy mansari natin dito. And, of course, like I promised, I will give all of our audience, here studio audience, some good night mark! Okay, pamigay na tayo ngayon. Tuloy tayo, okay? Happy mansari, bilang kayo, tatlo ha, audience ha, okay. Ready, set, go.
1, 2, 3! Happy Mansuri!
Nagulat ako talaga sa story circle kanina. Kasi nandito, sasaluhin ko sana yung ulo, pare.
Pare,
diba?
ako rin naubo.
Ha? Nainubok, ba't? Huwag mo sabihin, kaya ko yung... Tama. Tama na. Boy ko na naman. Akala ko yung... Hindi, tapos na nga yun. Sige na, tapos na yun.
Kita mo, naku boy, ito oh.
Parang hindi ko siya nakita. Nandito naman ako. Hindi ko siya nakita doon.
Siya pa rin